safety as well. Please remain seated at all times. 请坐下，安住席，不该给刚刚谢谢你 Andre, thank you very much. Now the ones on stage, these are my lovely escorts. They are greater flamingos, and greater flamingos they can be found in Africa. Most of the birds that you see here are hatched and raised right here in the bird park. Okay, ladies, time for you to head back home, and home is that way.
কি সুন্দর পাখিটা দেখছো ওদের না খাওয়া রাখে
দেখিয়ে দিয়েছে
Please put your hands down. Do not raise your hands up. Thank you very much.
বাদাম খাচ্ছে না এখন ওদিকে যাবে
쟤 뭐지? 우와! 나 잘 보네. 같은데. 자, 준비. 됐다! 우와!
That, ladies and gentlemen, that is Vicky. Vicky is our great flying hornbill, one of the largest flying hornbills in this region. And look at her swallowing that huge piece of papaya in just one big gulp. Okay, I think it's already in.
বড় একটা দিয়ে দিচ্ছে
Now everyone, isn't she a beautiful bird? Is she a beautiful bird? Indeed she is. Now in order for our future generations to still acquire these beautiful birds in the wild, we must first play our part in supporting conservation. We can start from the very basic. Practice the 3 R's. What are the 3 R's? Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Very good. Recycling of paper can help to save trees. And by doing so, you can see more of these birds and other wildlife back in the wild. Okay, Vicky, you've done very well this afternoon. It's time for you to make one last flight back home. You know where home is? Bye-bye. We'll see you later. What's that? Oh, this is Tuki. Good afternoon, Tuki. What puts you out here? You want to catch a fruit just like Vicky? Okay, let's see. Oh, look, everyone. I have a nice melon. I'm going to throw it to Tuki. Let's see if he can catch it too. Ready, Tuki? 1, 2. Catch Tuki. Oh, he missed it. It's okay. Tuki, you go back and practice some more. But don't forget to call your friends out. I'm talking about the real toucans. Are they coming up? Yes, they are. There they are. Okay. Now these are total toucans from South America. And the name Mr. and Mrs. Horn. This is Mr. Horn. Oh, sorry. This here is Mr. Horn. That is Mrs. Horn. Husband and wife. Happily married. Okay. Now these two birds are very friendly. This afternoon they will be flying up to a volunteer's arm. Who would like to have these two birds on the hand? Quickly, wait. Very quick manner. Please go all the way to Eve. She will tell you exactly what to do. Now we need to do this a little bit faster, okay? As you can see, the weather is now turning for better. It's starting to drizzle a little bit now. So we're going to try our very best to get as many birds out as we can, okay? Are you ready, madam? Yes, she is. Mr. and Mrs. Horn, she's all set. Quickly, there goes Mr. Horn. There goes Mrs. Horn. A big hand for our volunteer. Very good. Excuse me, madam. How much heavy or light? Light, right? Very light. Now, although these birds, they have huge bills, their bills are actually hollow and lightweight. In fact, toucans are known to be very agile when they are flying. Now, to show you how agile they are, first, I need the two birds to come back here. Excuse me, Mr. and Mrs. Horn. Time for you to come back here. Oh, I think lively attention. All the cameras are taking their photos. Okay, here comes, oh, this is Mrs. Horn. Mr. Horn, please come back. Don't forget you're already married. Quickly, right over here. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, man. Now, I'm going to throw 2 pieces of fruits up in the air, and you can see these 2 cans catch the fruits in the fight. Are you ready? Mrs. Horn, you go first. Look, 1, 2, 3, catch. Whoa. Very good. Mr. Horn, your turn. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, look at that. Okay, very good. Now, there are 37 species of toucans found in the world. And purple toucans, they are the largest. Mr. and Mrs. Horn, they come out together, they go home together. Now, Mr. Horn, right over there, please come over here. Don't think that I can't see you. I know you're hiding there. Quickly, the rain is coming down. Thank you very much. Mrs. Horn, you know where home is? Please lead the way. Let me escort Mr. Horn right here. Okay. Normally, Mrs. Horn will go home first. So Mr. and Mrs. Horn, if you're all set, your home is that way. Bye-bye. We'll see you later, okay? Quickly now. There goes Mrs. Horn. Mr. Horn, hurry up before your wife locks the door. Quickly. Outdoors again, ladies and gentlemen. Now, parrots that don't have to keep friends in the bloody world. That's because in the wild, these birds, they are very, very playful. This afternoon, we're going to have 2 parrots having a game of basketball on my right. This is Barry, our weaving macaw, on my left. That is Sunny, our cockatoo. Now, we need supporters. People from here to my right. You will support Barry when the match starts. All you need to do is support Barry, Barry, Barry. Okay? No problem? All right. Now, people from here to my left. You have Sunny. When the match starts, you do the same thing. Sunny, Sunny. Can we all do that? Yes or no? Okay, Sunny supporters, let's give it a try. 1, 2, 3, go. Sunny. Very good, Sunny, that's it. Okay, Barry supporters, remember what you need to do. The faster, the louder you cheer, the faster the birds will play the game. Yeah, I was a little bit confused. It's okay. Okay, birds ready and go! Just to warm up, he says, so what do you want? One more match. He wants one more match. Do you want one more match? Yeah. Oh, very good. This guy is very quiet. Anyway, every bird needs a second chance, right? Let's give the birds a second chance. Okay, one more match. And let me help you with both. Okay, here you go. 2 more for you, and this is 1 more for you. Very supporters, remember, cheer much louder. Birds ready, and go!
What is it?
Very, very playful bird to be. Now, a generous bird would like to give away a free drink this time. Who would like to have a free drink? Raise your hand quickly. Very fast manner. Please stand on your bench so that everyone can see you. Okay. Now, very important question, man. Are you afraid of birds? No? Very good. Now, I need you to raise up your right hand to the side like this. Okay, palm facing upwards. A bird will be sending this coupon out to you. And with this coupon, you can exchange it for a nice cold drink after the show at the terrace kiosk up there. Will that be good? That's fantastic, right? And when she lands on your arm, do not drop your hand. Do not touch the bird. She will put the coupon onto your palm like so. All you have to do is to close your fingers and keep smiling. Simple, very good. Let's welcome Sassy. Here she is. Okay, Sassy, ready? Take this coupon and give it to her. Oh, look at that. She's very, very fast. Excuse me, sir. Please sit down. The gentleman with the video camera. Please sit down. Thank you very much. Sassy, come back here. Thank you. And madam, with that coupon, don't forget to exchange it for a free drink, okay? A big hand for our volunteer, please. And need one more volunteer. One more. Wow, look at all those hands. But this time, listen. This time I don't have any more drinks to give away. This time I need to see money. Money in a note form. The first person to show me money will get to do this quickly. Who has the money? Sir, very fast. Very good. I like it. Yes. Please stand up on the bench. How much is that, sir? $2. Very good. Stand up on the bench so that everyone can see you. Now, for those of you who are not doing this, please remember to remain seated. Otherwise, the bird may get confused and may land on your head to build a nest. So, please do not stand up, okay? Okay, sir, please fold the money into half, make it smaller. Okay, hold it between your thumb and finger to the side like this. To the side. Very good. A little bit higher. Keep your arms straight. Don't move. Whatever happens, don't move, okay? Yes, Sassy, you've got money. What do you do when you see money quickly? Don't do time now. Very good money. She's very fast when it comes to money. Take the money and come back to me. Whoa, look at that. Look, sir, where the money will go. Oh, into your pocket. Thank you very much, Sassy. Thank you very much, sir. You're very generous. Thank you. Can the bird keep your money? Yes or no? No? I can't hear you. Yes or no? No? Don't worry. Don't worry. The money will come back to you. So you don't have to look so angry. Okay. We're just having this a little bit of fun. Okay? Now, of course, ladies and gentlemen, I know some of you would like to give something to birds, especially to wildlife. Now, you can, after the show, just drop in any amount into this box over here. All proceeds, once again, will go to Wildlife Reserve Singapore Conservation Fund. So if you'd like to do your part of supporting conservation after the show, you may do so. Any amount will do. Now, in return, we're going to give you something very, very nice as well. We're going to give you this beautiful postcard of Sassy. Oh, look at this. This is Sassy herself. She's such a popular bird. She also has her own postcard. Look at this. You don't believe me? Let's ask her. Is this you? Oh, this is you. Very good. So this is Sassy, okay? Now, excuse me, sir. Since you can't give the $2 to the bird, we will give the $2 back to you. Please stand up one more time. Okay. Oh, look. He has a very white smile now. Mommy coming back. No, just kidding. Okay. Now, I need you to raise your right hand to the side. Let's do this one more time. Get all your friends' cameras ready. Ready? Raise your right hand to the side. Okay, she puts the money down. Hold on to the money, okay? No problem? Very good. Oh, look at all the cameramen. Stand by. Ready, Sassy? Take the money and give it to him. Quickly. Oh, look. Okay, put it down then. Thank you very much. And you come back here. Oh, very good, Sassy. Very much. Thank you very much, sir. Sassy, you've done well. We'll see you later. Thank you so much as well. I need 3 more volunteers. Oh, second? Oh! I think due to the weather, we're going to have a change of plans a little bit. It's starting to drizzle pretty heavily now, so we're going to bring forward another bird that can actually be worked under the shelter. Is that okay with everyone? Yes? As I was telling you, the weather is changing for the worse, so we're going to try our very best to bring on as many birds as we can as we go along, okay? Some of the birds, they are a little bit afraid of the rain. Alright, and they can't fly very well too with their wings, so we hope that you can understand. Now we're going to bring forward a bird, a very, very special bird that needs a lot of equipment. Alright, no problem. For those of you with cameras, if you'd like to take a photo of the bird, by all means, please do so. But remember, do not use flash photography. Turn off your flashes. Okay, because flash may look like lightning to birds. And because of this, the bird may not want to work at all. Alright, we hope that you can understand. Thank you very much. Thank you for your understanding. Oh, you're very anxious to do something already for all of you. Okay, let me get the reward ready. Very good. Now I'm going to do some talking for us today. This here is an Amazon parrot. Amazon parrots can be found in the rainforest of South America. And they're very good at talking as well. Listen to this. Come on, nicely. Hello. Are you ready, boss? Yes, please. I think so. Let's sing this song in Mandarin. Let me remind you how the song goes. Sometimes you need a little bit of reminder. It goes like this. That's me. Okay. It's not perfect. Okay. But that's a much nicer voice than mine. Are you ready? Sing the song in Mandarin. Sing this song in Mandarin. Very good. That's the way to do it. Well done. Wonderful work. Beautiful song. Now the second song is a much catchier tune. It's a song in Malay entitled Rasa Sayang. Singing in the feelings of love. Rasa means feeling. Sayang means love. Love song. Alright? Ready? Here we go. Sing Rasa Sayang. Hey, well done, amigo. Very good singing. Fantastic song. Oh, you're doing it very well. Now, the last and final song is an English song. But before he sings this song, I would like to ask, is there anyone out there celebrating his or her birthday today?
Yeah, there.
Wow, yeah, gentlemen right there. Very good. Okay. Anyone left? Oh,
behind.
two. Okay. Oh, there's one here too. Very good. Now, don't worry, you don't have to come on stage and join me, okay? I just need to know who is celebrating their birthday. Okay, we have three right up there as well. One people over here. Anyone here? No one here? Okay, here. All right, then. Are you sure? Very good. Okay, we have five people celebrating their birthday today. Now, the reason is because Amigo will be singing the next song especially for all of you. Okay, so listen carefully, right? If you have video cameras, set it on video, record this right now. Amigo is singing this very beautiful English song. Are you ready? Yes, let's sing. Happy birthday to all of you here celebrating your birthday today, and many more birthdays to come. Oh, remember, by the way, next time if you are celebrating your birthday, don't forget to join us here in Jurong. Because Amigo here is going to be singing